Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best lawn fertilizers that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 4 is the Espoma Organic Lawn Food Summer Revitalizer 800. This product is tailored to the summer season, providing long-lasting organic nitrogen and iron for a rich green lawn. Its environmentally safe formula is free from toxic ingredients, making it a great choice for households with pets or children. The inclusion of Espoma's exclusive biotone formula further enhances nutrient delivery, ensuring your lawn stays healthy throughout the hottest months. The packaging is robust, featuring a 30-pound bag that covers up to 5,000 square feet. The granules are easy to spread using a drop or broadcast spreader, and the formula is designed not to burn lawns or leach out of the soil. Additionally, it's approved for organic gardening, so you can feel good about using it in your yard. The product also doesn't stain concrete or sidewalks, which is a nice bonus for homeowners. Performance-wise, Espoma's Summer Revitalizer shines in maintaining lawn health during peak heat, turning yellow patches into vibrant green. It's suitable for all grass types, making it highly versatile. However, it's not as nutrient-dense as some of the other options on this list, with an 8:0 ratio focused primarily on nitrogen without phosphorus or potassium. Overall, this fertilizer is a reliable mid-tier option for summer lawn care, particularly for smaller to medium-sized lawns. At number 3, we have the Pendleton Turf Supply 18-3-6 liquid fertilizer. This all-purpose fertilizer is formulated for use throughout the growing season and is packed with readily available nutrients and 50% slow-release nitrogen, SRN. The slow-release formula provides long-lasting feeding, while the micronutrients like iron, copper, and zinc enhance plant growth and aesthetic appeal. This combination makes it a great option for both lawns and ornamental plants. Packaged in a 2.5-gallon container, this liquid fertilizer offers excellent coverage and versatility. The mixing directions are straightforward. You can dilute it for turf or ornamental plants, depending on your needs. While the packaging is utilitarian, it's well suited for professional landscapers or homeowners with larger lawns and gardens. The concentrated formula also minimizes waste, ensuring maximum value for every application. Performance-wise, the Pendleton Turf Supply fertilizer provides noticeable improvement in lawn health and coloration within a few weeks of application. Its balanced 18:3-6 ratio supports robust growth while maintaining plant health. However, the liquid form requires precise application, and the large container can be cumbersome for smaller yards. Overall, this product is perfect for those seeking professional-grade results, though beginners may find the application process a bit daunting. Ranked at number 2 is the Simple Lawn Solutions High Potassium Lawn Food Liquid Fertilizer 0025. This fertilizer is specifically designed to tackle potassium deficiency, improving turf grass hardiness and resilience during stressful conditions such as temperature changes. Potassium plays a key role in vital processes like photosynthesis and protein formation, making this a must-have for lawns that need a little extra TLC during summer and fall. The product comes in a user-friendly 32-ounce bottle with a ready-to-use hose end sprayer, allowing homeowners to easily apply the fertilizer without additional equipment. It covers up to 3,200 square feet, making it ideal for medium-sized lawns. Manufactured in the USA by an experienced family-owned business, this product guarantees quality and reliability. In terms of performance, while potassium doesn't usually show visible results immediately, it significantly boosts plant endurance and overall health over time. This fertilizer works well on all grass types, from Bermuda to Kentucky bluegrass. However, it's not a complete lawn feed since it lacks nitrogen and phosphorus. This product is ideal for those looking to target specific deficiencies rather than general lawn maintenance, but it may not be sufficient as a standalone solution. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Simple Lawn Solutions Ryan Knorr Lawn Essentials Bundle Box. This premium 6-piece set includes everything you need for comprehensive lawn care: 2 bottles of 16-4-8 NPK lawn food, 2 lawn energizer micronutrient boosters, 1 root humic acid blend, and 1 soil seaweed humic acid blend. With this curated set, you get a complete solution for greening, growth, soil health, and stress resistance, making it ideal for homeowners who want an all-in-one package. The design and quality of this bundle are top-notch. Each bottle features a ready-to-use sprayer for effortless application, and the ingredients are derived from high-quality feed-grade sources. The thoughtful packaging includes collector stickers, adding a fun touch for lawn care enthusiasts. Covering medium-sized lawns, this bundle provides an excellent balance between convenience and effectiveness. When it comes to performance, the Lawn Essentials bundle delivers visible results in greening and growth within weeks. The inclusion of humic acid and seaweed extracts improves soil health, fostering long-term sustainability for your lawn. While the price is on the higher side, the comprehensive nature of this bundle makes it an excellent value for homeowners looking for a premium solution. This is the ultimate choice for those seeking professional quality results without hiring a landscaper. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.